Okay, so in Algebra 2, for the first few weeks, we're going to do a lot of Algebra 1 review because Algebra 2 really builds on your knowledge that you learn in Algebra 1. So it's going to be a lot of work on the Big Ideas Math website, and I'm not going to give you a video every time, but I think this one's important just to kind of get you started. So you're going to go to bigideasmath.com and log in. So my book right now is on the Algebra 2 book, but because we're doing review, we're going to start in the Algebra 1 book. So I'm changing my book to Algebra 1, and then I'm going to go to the book. So right now I'm in Chapter 8. I don't really want to be in Chapter 8. We're actually going to start from the beginning, so I need to go back all the way to Chapter 1, Solving Linear Equations. You guys will probably all be on different levels with this, so if you're really curious, you can watch the STEM video. This is what it's going to kind of look like. So it connects to science, technology, engineering, and math.
No, Tori, mariners were some of the earliest innovators in mathematics.
That's right, Robert, and people have been navigating the oceans for thousands of years.
But they had to navigate using very simple tools. There were no GPSs, no satellites.
Okay, so you kind of get the idea what's going on with that. Again, it's going to connect it to real life. There are maintaining mathematical proficiency questions. So you can take a look at these again and practice your skills if you want to. So -5 plus -2, the solution is -7. Let's see. Shouldn't have done that. And then you can actually check them as well. So I need that to go away. Let's refresh this page. All right, so again, try this again. So -3 times -8, I can put in -24, and then again, you can check it. So that's just kind of nice. A nice tool there, adding and subtracting, multiplying and dividing. These are basically, this whole chapter is what we're going to be reviewing in your first assignment, which will be on bigideasmath.com. So you'll start with solving simple equations. You can check if you forget how to solve linear equations by adding or subtracting, then you'll click on this and you'll watch it.
Solve each equation. Justify each step. Check your answer. A, x minus 3 equals -5. Write the equation. X minus 3 equals -5. Add 3 to each side. Simplify. X equals -2. So the solution is x equals -2. Check your solution. Substitute -2 in for x in the original equation. -2 minus 3 equals -5. -5 equals -5. Part B.
So again, some of you guys might remember this, have a really good memory, be strong with your math skills and whatnot, so you might not need to go through all of these, but they're here for you. And there's some modeling questions too, which are kind of like the real life applications of things, which are always good to take a look at as well. So it starts with section 1.1, solving simple equations, 1.2, multi-step equations, 1.3, variables on both sides, 1.4, absolute value, and then 1.5 is rewriting equations and formulas. So use as much as you need to. Make sure you take notes, because I am going to be giving you points later on in the semester for your notes, so I'll collect those. And again, reach out if you need help with anything. So make sure you use all of Chapter 1 in order to do your assignment for today. And as always, if you have any questions, let me know.